So for today I have a collective spring haul and I'm really excited. I have a lot of things that I want to show you guys and yeah, let's just get started. First thing, or the first place that I went to was Dillard's and I got two shirts from there. The first one is this nice purpley thing and at the bottom it has this little, I don't know, I think it's super cute and it's a nice purple shirt and super soft and I really like it. And then I also got from Dillard's this like dark blue, dark navy-ish kind of tank top with like sparklies and pretties on the thing and the front. And yeah, I like wearing this with like a cardigan and it's pretty in the back because it has this little like thing. I don't know, it's really cute. I like it. And then I got this hat at Icing and it's super cute. I decided that I like these hats and so I've been obsessed. It's like this super pretty maroon color with little like polka dot cute things. I don't know, it's super cute and I love it. And then I went to Aeropostale and I got two dresses from there. I have this first one with pretty flowers on them. And then I have one that's just like it, but it's in black with other flowers on it. And it's super cute and I really like the back of them. And yeah, so these were just super cute. I thought they'd be fun for spring and summer. And they're just super comfy and cute. Okay, the next thing is so I got some things at Victoria's Secret Pink and I never got clothes from there before because they're expensive, but I finally decided to spend my money and splurge a little bit on it. And so I got a Victoria's Secret Pink sweatshirt and it's so super cute. I love it so much. It's like a light bluish green kind of and it's super cute. There's a little puppy on the pocket over here. And then there's a little puppy on the back. And then on the sleeve it just says pink. And oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. I love it so much. I wear it all the time. And I'm so happy that I got it and I love it so much. And also from Victoria's Secret Pink, I got this tank top that I thought would be really good for dancing and exercising in. And it's pink. And there's a little puppy on the pocket over here. And there's also a little puppy on the back. It's super cute and I love it. And also from Victoria's Secret Pink, I got this just little perfume, this body mist. It's called Wild at Heart. I don't know, and I just thought it smells really good and fresh and pretty. So I just thought it would smell good because I like smells. And so at Victoria's Secret Pink, if you spent a certain amount of money, then you could have, at Victoria's Secret Pink, if you spent a certain amount of money, then you would get a free blanket. And so with the perfume, I had spent enough money to get this blanket. And it's like a blue, and it's super cute. Look at that. Woo! I love it. It's so cute and it's like soft and comfortable and like look how cute that is. Like goals in a blanket. That's that. Okay, and then the rest of the things I got were actually from like a thrift store, but it was like a higher end thrift store where it was like brand clothing. But it's such a cute store and I love it so much and I got so many things from there, so let me show you. Okay, so from that super cute store I actually got this top that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of like a green, kind of peplum-y type of a shirt, but it's like super pretty and green. I don't know, yeah, I like it. And then this next top that I got, it's like a light bluish green and it's from Maurice's and it's like this lacy material that's super like thin and light and there are flowers all over it and I think this is cute to wear with like a shade shirt, a black shade shirt underneath, and it's actually like super soft and super comfortable and yeah, so I think that's really cute. And then I also got this shirt which is from Forever 21 and it's like this white and also like bluish green. I guess I like this color a lot, so but it's just super cute and soft and yeah, I like it. And And then, let's see, there's also this shirt, which is from the brand Pronto. I don't know. And it's like a 3/4 length sleeve, and the color's like this orangey peachy kind of color. And it's just a light material, and it's super soft and cute. And yeah, I really like the color of this shirt, so I'm excited about it. And then I got some leggings, and these are from Victoria's Secret Pink, and they are a little bit worn out at like the knees, but they're so comfortable, and I'm so glad that I found them because they're super comfortable and I love wearing them. So there's that. And then I got some shoes. These shoes I also got from that store, and they're just kind of like these brown heels with this cute little buckle over here and a zipper on the side, and there's just a little hole over where the toes go. So I gotta make sure that my toes are painted, my toenails are painted, so then it's not like ugly. And they're a little cute thing there. Yeah. Okay, and these shoes, oh my goodness, I can't even explain how excited I am about these shoes and how much I love them. Just look. Do you see this? Do you see this? Like, look at these shoes. Like, okay, the color. Yes. And so they have this zipper here. There. And they have this little lace over here. And it's like a heel. But these are actually like so super comfortable to wear. I could wear them all the time. I want to die in these shoes. If I am dead, I want to be wearing these shoes at my funeral. So, yeah, I love these shoes. They're my babies. Look at them! Okay. Okay, and then the last thing that I got from that store was I got another hat. And so this one is a black one, and there's a little ribbon here. And look at that! Like, I don't know, I love hats. And so I'm super excited about that. And yeah, that's everything. Oh wait, just kidding. One more thing. I also got from that same store, I also got the jeans that I'm wearing right now. And they are from Hollister. And oh my gosh, I never had Hollister jeans before, but they are so soft and they're so comfortable. Like whenever I wear them, I'm always just like rubbing my legs because they're so comfortable. I can't even handle it. It's the greatest thing ever. And yeah, that's everything. That's all that I have. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And let me know what else you would like to see from me. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye!